That's right. That's
Well, I'll tell you, you can't fault the paint work. Holy crow.
The paint work is nice.
We could fault the mechanical work, but not the paint work.
That's me.
That looks beautiful.
Yeah, this is the shakedown. This is the shakedown ride.
Okay.
I had this little headlight protector fell off on the way. Rattled off, and I lost a screw here on the way on this side. So this is the shakedown ride. Figure out what's missing, what's not.
I got my bike 11 years. I'm still spots are falling off of
Carbon
it.
fiber front end. Actually, it's paper.
Ah, this is your baby now?
It's paper.
Is this carbon fiber paper look-alike crap
Look at it.
instead of real carbon fiber like I have on my bikes?
Get nicks from the stone. Jose made me do that.
It's called toilet
You like
paper.
that? You like those? $30, $22.
I paid 19 for mine.
You see the bottom pan? You know what that does? It brings all the sound up to me. You know, it makes like a sound.
So
cone.
take it off. You're never going off-ride.
No, but
you don't even ride good on the road, let
Oh,
alone
I
off
can
the
do.
road.
Take it off and get yourself some of that heat shield asbestos stick-on crap. And the guy I bought it from, I think he crashed it, and it must have hit the highway and ground down.
So how many miles you got on this now?
It has 547 miles.
Wow. 547.
And I got it.
Looking good.
I got it with 468.
Turbo Steve's gonna be so jealous. Did he see it yet?
I don't think he did. He's in DC. I called him.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, he's in DC.
Hey, it looks good, I'll tell you.
Thank you. Yeah, well, you've got a lot to do with it.
By the way, you want to see any restoration on this bike? Is what, 25 videos?
Something like that, yeah.
Windy Space U, and you got to put the space in. Very cool.
They blew them up.
Yeah, exactly. But,
You can't wheel in them for too long. I think there's something wrong with the oil pump. It doesn't pump oil to the motor. If you got it up for too long, it starts to overheat.
When he bought the Pearl, it's expensive paint. I was wondering until I put the clear on if it was going to be worth it. It was worth it.
in the sunlight,
It really looks nice.
I see it.
I don't know if you can see in the
I see it.
the
No, you
pearlescent that's in there.
It's in there. I see it.
That paint, that was really tough getting it looking that way, but
What's crazy is the historical plate.
I'm just amazed that with a sheer cliff like this, the rock doesn't, you know, with the rumbling of the cars and trucks and
yeah, someday.
it doesn't slice off.
Someday, baby. If you go south on 32, there's a gas station 5 miles up the road.
Yeah.
Quite a shakedown ride. Parts have been falling off, killing me. Glad I got a helmet on. So now this is the last time Bob's last meal. The last supper. This is Bob's last supper.
Real burgers.
Now you notice your real friends showed up to say goodbye today.
That is right.
And collect that money you owe us.
Oops.
Oops.
Oh,
So
yeah,
if
I'll
you
mail
see-
a check from Atlanta.
If you see Morgan and I gain a few pounds,
This
it's
is
to
why.
celebrate. Are we celebrating that you're leaving or that you're coming back someday?
I don't know. People usually happy when I'm leaving. It's not a celebration.
What about your wife? Is she happy that you're leaving?
Oh, no, she's not happy. She wants to know who's going to clean the driveway now.
Oh!
That's why you got kids.
Oh, yeah, I say that. Yeah, but you know mothers. No, he can't do that.
Oh.
Mark, you know what you can try? As you're riding along, keep putting the choke on and off.
I did that.
Oh, you did that?
Yeah. Just if you put a little bit of choke on, it runs better.
Yeah.
So it's got to be pilot choke.
gliding today. The day to do it. Look at this wind. Wow. Holy mackerel. Oh my God, what a day. Look, the bike looks great riding behind it.
Yeah.
The jack looks very good.